I'm Jason Scott. I've been doing this about 32 years now. Got started on my dad's farm. Started out in a lot of residential work. Eventually we moved over into commercial. Been doing commercial about 20 years. We specialize in any kind of site work, whether it be grading, utilities. Doesn't really matter to us. We try to do everything. Once we get here, we try to do all there is on the job. I started with an iDig about 2 years ago. It was a really helpful piece of equipment, and the guys introduced me to another piece of GPS, and I decided to give it a try, and so far it's working really well, doing exactly what I wanted to do when I bought it. So I was talking with Andy at Benchmark, and he had introduced me to the TX73 model, and I decided I wanted to give it a try. I'm just looking for a way to maximize production on the job site. And you look around, you got guys sitting around. You know, I'm old school. I've always pulled string and done it the old way. And you got guys sitting around on the job site waiting to pull string, measure with a tape measure. And I decided to give it a try. And so we had the GPS installed about 3 days when we got a chance to first use it. Had my guys grading some driveway entrance and curb. And again, I'm old school, so we'd use the GPS for about 300 feet, and I had them set up string like we used to do. And they pulled string. They gave me a call and said that everything was checking really good. And I told them to put the string in the truck and leave it, and we'd just trust the GPS from now on. And here we are a week later, and it's doing really well. Very pleased with it. Since we bought the GPS and had it installed, I've noticed, for instance, what we just done with it probably would have taken us a week. We done it in a day and a half. Plus, I actually, instead of having guys sitting around measuring and pulling string, I actually got more stuff done because they weren't tied to me checking grade. They were on the job site tidying up some other things that needed to be done. So not only did it increase the actual grading part, it's actually increased everything on the job site, because I can now task guys with doing other things other than being tied to me checking grade. I can now check grade just by looking on the screen in the cab, which not only, like I said, not only increased productivity on grading, but also every little thing around the job, because now you've got people doing other things that otherwise would have to be put off. So another aspect that I like about the TX73 is not only for flat grading or whatever, we also can create some infield designs just by touching some points. We didn't have to wait on the surveyor to come. We were able to quickly touch on a drain, go around in a certain area, touch some other spots, and create a surface, so to speak, in the field without a surveyor, without a laser. From the cab, we just created the surface, done our grading based off what the GPS told us, and we was able to create a design that was ready to go, a finished product, within a matter of minutes, where has taken even a couple of days, maybe even longer if you have to wait on a surveyor, you know, set up lasers, pull string, and all of that. And so far it's done a great job. Good enough that in a week's time, I'm already ready to possibly upgrade to the Pro model. Once we played around, we figured a couple of things out, and from that point on, we learned a little bit more and a little bit more, and within an hour, we were creating our own surfaces in small segments, grading those quickly, moving to the next. Again, I don't see any negatives to this product to this point. I have called in remote support, basically for a few things that maybe we didn't go over during the training. And I think one thing I remembered after I talked to support that they told me, but I just forgot. I mean, it is, when you're old school like me, there is a learning curve as far as, you know, what everything does. But again, if you play with it for a few minutes, you know, once you see it done, it's very, very simple. The best advice I could give somebody that's on the fence like I have been for 10 years is I'd do it now. I wish I would have had it. I've been thinking about this for 10 years. I wish I'd have done it on day one. And there's no telling, you know, how much farther down the road I could be productivity-wise. So one of the things I guess I'd always wondered is, you know, the fact that I don't have the latest model, newest machines, and I'd always just assumed that, you know, GPS would be out of my reach. But the thing I love about the TX73 is the fact that it will go on basically any machine. And, you know, you don't have to have the latest and the greatest. Some of my stuff got some age on it, and we're able to fit it on most anything I've got here. So honestly, I mean, I can honestly say I would never in a million years have went to GPS for a lot of the prices that I've been priced. This model is very affordable and has done a great job since I've installed it. And again, I would not be running GPS on a lot of the other GPS models that I've been quoted. There's no way, just financially, I don't think I would ever took that risk. But with Benchmark's model, the TX73 makes it very affordable, and I feel like does a great job, just as good as anything else would do. So if you're like I was and you're contemplating trying GPS, I would highly recommend calling the guys at Benchmark for affordability, for productivity, tech support. I can't find anything to complain about, and I would highly recommend Benchmark and the TX73 model.